So now that I have my finished podcast episode, my finished video, I'm going to open my browser and I'm going to go to youtube.com. I've already signed in. You can see in the top right hand corner, I have my profile photo. I've already signed in and created my channel. So if I click on that, I can actually go to my YouTube studio and I can see my channel dashboard. I can upload videos. You could also upload videos from this create button, the little camera icon on the top right. So I'm going to upload a video. I'm going to select my file. I'm going to do this LIU iMovie demo video that I created. I'm going to click open. It's going to take a second. I can give it a name. I can give it a description. This is the link over here on the right that it's creating for me. When I scroll down, I can create a playlist. And if I want to, I can put it into the EDD 1205 playlist. I could also create a new playlist if I wanted to. Press done. I'm going to go to my next. Is it made for kids or not made for kids? I'm going to say it's not made for kids. If you make it for kids, it just doesn't let people add it to different playlists and things like that. Go next. We don't need to put any of these other features on it. Go to next. There's no copyrights. Copyright checks for music. So I like unlisted as an option. Anyone who has the link can find it, so you can embed it in a website, you can embed it in a slideshow, you can do that and it will play. There'll be no permission issues, but nobody can actually search for it. If you wanted it visible to the public on YouTube, you would do public. Private would be if you just wanted to share it with one person. So let's save this right now as unlisted, and I'm going to click save. As it's working, it's going to tell you that there's a certain amount of time left. You don't have to wait on this. You can press close. And then under your content here on the left, you can actually see that it's uploading. Now, if you went in and checked the details on this, you could, if you wanted to, change it from unlisted to private. And if you change it to private, you could share it privately by adding people just like you would a Google Doc. So you could type in email addresses. If you wanted everyone at LIU to view it, they could see it. Or you can share it with one or two people. So if this is a demo video or an essay or a temporary podcast, maybe you make it just to the professor. You want maybe everyone at LIU to see it, but not the general public, you can do that. Generally, I like unlisted because that means that if somebody comes to YouTube, they won't be able to find it, but that I can use that link, this link right here, to give out to anyone. Once this is done uploading and processing, this link will be live and you can give this link to anybody and they'd be able to go and see your episode. What's also nice is you get to choose a thumbnail image. That's sort of the baseline of what they're going to see when they first come to your video file. So I'm going to choose a different one and I'm going to press save. So now that is the thumbnail for that particular video. And that is it. Once it's saved, if you click this link, it'll actually take you to the YouTube page that your video is going to show up on. And that is how you upload to YouTube. You can share right here. So once it's there, once it's on YouTube, you can share it out. You can share the whole playlist. You can share the individual videos. Hope that helps.